This video will address the Common Core Standards, Kindergarten Counting and Cardinality 4, Understand the relationship between numbers and quantities, connect counting to cardinality, Kindergarten Counting and Cardinality 5, Count to answer how many questions, Kindergarten Counting and Cardinality 6, identify whether the number of objects in one group is greater than, less than, or equal to the number of objects in another group by using matching and counting strategies. Kindergarten Counting and Cardinality 7, compare two numbers between 1 and 10 presented as written numerals. This is the Dot Cards 10-frame memory station activity, which helps students practice counting and comparing groups of objects and numbers. For this activity, you will need the dot and 10-frame memory cards, speech bubble card, dry erase pen, and eraser. This activity can be done individually, in pairs, or in a small group. Begin by turning over two cards and counting the objects. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Using the speech bubble card, talk about the two groups. I have 3 and 2. These groups are not equal. If the groups are equal, the students would remove the cards, but if they're not, they turn them back over in the same place, and the next student goes if you're playing a multiplayer game.
1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 and 3. These are equal.
2, 1, 2. I have 2 and 2. These are equal.
1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. I have 3 and 3. These are equal.
Continue playing until the end of station time. If the students clear the board before the end of station time, they can mix up the cards and begin again. There are several variations you could use when using the speech bubble card with the students. You could just have them fill in the numbers verbally, or for some students who need more scaffolding, you could actually have them put manipulatives in. I have 2 and 2. These are equal. Or they could do it with a pen and dots.
I have 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. I have 3 and 3. These are equal.
After the students have played many times with the dots or the manipulatives, then you can move into using numerals. I have 3 and 3. These are equal. When students are familiar with playing the game and recognizing equal groups, the advanced speech bubble can be introduced. Students turn over their cards and draw the dots or use manipulatives. I have 3 and 2. These are not equal because 3 is 1 more than 2. Once students are proficient using the dot and 10-frame cards, the activity can be bumped to another level by adding numeral cards. 3 and 2. These are not equal because 3 is 1 more than 2.
3, 1, 2, 3, and 2. I have 3 and 2. These are not equal because 3 is 1 more than 2.
3 and 3. I have 3 and 3. These are equal because 3 and 3 are the same number. We can differentiate this activity again by using only number cards and playing the traditional memory by matching number to number. Students can write the quantity of the numbers in the speech bubble or just say it.
I have 0 and 2. These are not equal because 2 and 0 are different values.
1, 1. I have 1 and 1. These are equal because 1 is the same amount as 1. That's it. Happy stationing!